Hello, boys and girls. Today we will explore making bigger shapes out of smaller shapes. So we are going to take a look at these different cards and it's going to tell us what to do. So the first one says place 4 squares together. What shape can you make? So I have my 4 smaller squares and we can just push them together like so. And what shape did I make with those 4 squares? A rectangle. Good. Then I could also move them down like this. What shape is that? A bigger square. Nice job. All right, let's take a look at the next one. It says to place a trapezoid on a yellow hexagon. How many will fit? So let's take this here. I'm going to try and fit this in here. It's a little big. I tried to make it as close as possible. So there's one hexagon or one trapezoid on top of a hexagon. How many more do you think I could fit on there? I think one more. I wonder if I can rotate this. Oh, I can. Turn it upside down because it has to be upside down to fit in there. Oh, where did he go? He went behind. I wonder if I can make him come in front. No? Let's just do this. So there are my 2 trapezoids put together to kind of make a hexagon. There we go. He's just a little bit flatter, but he still has 6 sides and 6 corners. You're just going to have to play with them here on our technology. If we were in the classroom, they would piece together a whole lot better. But we're going to work with what we have. All right, and then the next one, it says, place a green triangle on a yellow hexagon. How many will fit? So if you see, I already have one green triangle on here as best as I could. Let's see how many more I can put on here. I'm going to have to rotate it a little bit. Place it on here. Okay, and then let's see. We're going to do this as best as we can with what we have. And then, let's see if we can't move this here. This is called perseverance. We're just going to keep at it until we get it figured out. It's a great skill to have, perseverance. And I wonder if my triangles are not good triangles. Because ideally, they would fit together pretty well. It's kind of like putting a pizza together. Yummy pizza. So, I think this is as best as Mrs. Jacobs is gonna get it. I hope you get the idea of what it should look like. Okay, so that kind of looks like a hexagon. That's as close as I'm going to get with these pieces. Let's see how many triangles fit into a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, for the next activity, I'm going to have you try building bigger shapes with smaller shapes.